Try this again. 51 minutes. I don't know. My phone just quit on me. I'm allowed 58 minutes on the first bottle. I don't think anyone heard anything on my first visit. On the first bottle. I'll say it again. Mike didn't make it through the night. He passed away. That happens in farming. That's life. That one, I probably got the smaller hole in it. It's in the right or in the left corner?
Right.
Where's all your sisters, Skylar? Are you gonna drink the whole second bottle too? You really need to learn to drink out of a bucket. What the heck is Mick doing down there?
Mick is the one sideways.
Huh?
Mick is the one sideways.
Yeah. What's he doing? Sniffing up the girls? He's huge. I don't know how they can handle his weight. Could be Charlene out of the building. She walks with such grace. Taking her sweet time.
And she's gonna have her next baby.
In a year?
As bad as she is?
Amy's her first one.
I know.
Good grief. Although Mick was trying to mess with her by the time Amy was a month old.
He was just messing with her the other day.
And I guess she's not pregnant. 9 months after he inoculates her. With success. Brownie should be the next one. That's Mick. That's Mick. Oops. That's Brownie. I don't know who the rest are unless they turn and look at me, because they're all black, most of them. I don't have their... Really? Charlene, that's mean. Really? What are you doing, Charlene? That was mean. You're picking on Five Alive. At least Five Alive, I could tell who she is by her bag. Here comes Amy. And Brownie, or Penny. He's up to a gallon and a half of feeding. Hey, Amy, what's happening? Well, you're headed this way for sure. You checking out what your brother's doing? How come your brother's getting special feeding? Your brother don't have a way to get milk any other way. Yeah. I'm gone. Back up from the fence so he doesn't stick his head through the fence and butt me. Skylar, who's next? Who's next to have a baby? Huh? Who's next? Skylar. Yeah, you know your name. You know your name. Who's getting pushy down there?
I don't know.
Charlene is pushing 5. It's kind of hazy out. Maybe I should clean my lenses. Is that, oh, it's on the bottom lens. All right. Let's see. Is that better? I think that's better. There's Big Mick. Uh-oh. Who's he checking out? 5 Alive. He's checking out 5 Alive. That's a big boy. Who else is in there? I can't. Look at that. Skylar did a normal poopy. Did you see him? Yeah. That's good. It's good he's healthy. Not yellow. Not watery. He's healthy. We intervened in time. There must have been something other wrong with Mike. He was entangled with his sister in the incubator. Huh. Is that cat Katie? I think that's Katie. Everybody's going to that corner. Uh-oh. Mike went to the... Or not Mike. Skylar went to the corner. Into the other... That corner on the right. Aki, you better not be drinking that Aki water. Mama. There's a calf in there. There. I think that's Katie. Sorry, I got stuff on my screen. There's Big Mac, the daddy of everybody. Daddy of last year's baby, right? Yes. Daddy of this year's babies. And with him being in here, he'll be the daddy of next year's babies. That's Skylar. I thought Skylar went the other side. Has he got that much white on his belly? Is that his navel? That's Skylar. Okay. I think that's Kathy. Amy just went over to the into the barn too. Lydia, she's got mascara on. I can't see this one's numbers. Really, right behind the post, doing yoga. He's got an itch. Where are you? Ah. Tags are so dirty I can't see them. 47. 47 white. There ain't no 47 white. Maybe that's 49. So I don't see a 47 in my list.
Isn't that one of the older ones?
Huh?
14 maybe?
Maybe that's 67.
No, it's 41 maybe.
The very end one?
Yeah. 41 or 47. It's 40 something.
White? Oh, so it's a 41?
It could be.
It looks like a 7 to me.
Well, what have you got on your calculator there? Your,
On my log sheet?
Your sheety sheet.
My cheat sheet, 41 is Chrissy. 41 white is Chrissy, because she's 45 red. Whoops. Must be looking at cows, not the cement wall. And it rains, it gets everything all mucky muck. Who's going away? One of the big ones. Brownie. That's 5. Shirley. Who's next to Brownie? Both of them got fairly good sized bags, don't they?
Yeah.
Is that's not Nia. I don't see no white in her face. The one on the left. Next to Brownie, on the left side of Brownie. I can't see your tags. Oh. Well, they got bags. Right? You looked over the whole yard and no babies laying around. Huh?
Not that I saw.
Okay. There's the boards, keep the cows from drinking the baby's water. Well, Nia should be coming in heat then really quick for next year then. I guess it's only been a week, so in a month. Well, I guess that's it. The kids went to sleep. August 12th, 2025. Calf report, bag report, whatever you want to call it. Skylar report. So we're back to 4 in here? Yeah. All right, everyone. This is the AM feeding. Have a great day. Bye.